Hi, my name is Joe with Frei Remodeling. We completed a project here in Tucson for Tom and Dana. I just wanted to take you inside and have a look. Follow me in.
We chose Frei Remodeling because we had a couple different contractors come through, and some of the quotes were reasonable and even similar to Joe's, but he seemed to really fit well with us. He made us feel comfortable, and he seemed like he knew what he was doing. So when we knew that we wanted to redo our kitchen because our layout wasn't good at all, we needed more storage space, and we didn't like the layout.
This island was actually turned on the angle this way. And the problem they had, it was really close to the existing cabinets, and the fridge used to be right here. And every time you would want to walk through here, everybody would hit their head on this staircase. So what we did is we pretty much scrapped the existing footprint of the kitchen. We reconfigured the island, we moved the fridge over there, and then we had a dead spot in this corner. So we really needed to add some light, kind of brighten it up in here. So we knocked a hole in this wall here and installed a window. Again, we added shop cabinetry, really nice prep, maybe like a little breakfast area for coffee and donuts and stuff like that.
It's so much more open, there's much more light, and it's really the way it should have been from the beginning. So it feels like it's complete now. Upstairs in our bathroom, we had a wet room, I guess it's called. And it's like had 2 shower heads, and we weren't using that space. That was the only section off, and like we had a double vanity that was kind of dated. There was only like a little small privacy wall between those and then the toilet, so there wasn't a lot of privacy there either.
We added this wall to divide and give the own water closet for the toilet. As far as this area over here, this was a solid wall all the way across with a little doorway here. So we just took that wall out, made this little pony wall with a real nice piece of glass, just to try to open this room up and just make it seem bigger than what it was before. And then we wanted to make it a walk-in, so we did another glass panel here. And then again, as I always say in my videos, we did the metal shelf. This is a Curdy shelf, which is really nice, gives a really nice sleek look. And then we just picture framed the niche.
Looks really, really nice. We really like it. Nice walk-in shower. We really like that. My mother-in-law, when she saw that, she almost teared up, actually. She was really, really happy with that. And then I gotta say also, we spend a lot of time out on our balcony now too. We really enjoy that.
So this is the balcony on Dana and Tom's house, and there was a lot of rot issues, just the way it was built when the house was manufactured. So we tore all the trim and the fascia off and everything and recased all the beams. And then they just had a deck that just had roofing material over it that had a sand finish. And we really want to give that more of a comfort feel. So we went with a Trex decking on here.
They took care of it. They did our front porch, our balcony, and our Juliet balcony. And we also had a balcony upstairs off our master bedroom screened in with a really cool screen. It's like almost see-through. It's just like it's not even there. It's really neat. It's
called a clear view screen. So if you're down out there and you're looking up at this, it doesn't even look like there's screens on here. That's what we did on this balcony.
Just got to say that everything they did for us was great. All the contractors they had working with us were nice. Everybody was very knowledgeable, and they all did a fantastic job. Very happy with Frei.
So this is a project we completed for Tom and Dana. We did a lot of projects in here. If you're looking to get a remodeling project, feel free to go to our website, fill out the form. I'd love to grab a call with you and see how we can help you out.